Meaning of lighting engineer.
Lighting engineer.
Lighting engineer.
Lighting engineer.
Lighting engineer. A lighting engineer is a professional who designs lighting systems for various purposes, such as theatrical productions, architectural projects, concerts, and film and television productions. The role of a lighting engineer involves selecting and positioning lighting fixtures, programming lighting cues to achieve specific effects, ensuring safety compliance, and optimizing energy efficiency. Lighting engineers must have a strong understanding of lighting equipment, electrical systems, optics, and color theory, as well as the ability to work collaboratively within a creative team.